Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we will learn about Osnap and how to use Osnap. Here is the method to activate Osnap, and you can use any one of these to activate Osnap. Now I have a simple floor plan here, and let's say now I want to draw a round table in the center of these three sofas. So I can use midpoint Osnap to find the center point. Remember to turn on the object snap tracking. If you turn on object snap tracking, it will show a reference line like this, and this reference line will make your work easier because you no need to draw a construction line to find the center. Okay, now turn on a midpoint and put your cursor to the sofa but don't click it. And you will see a triangle tooltip is shown, and this is the tooltip for midpoint. Each Osnap has a different tooltip, and I will show it at the end of this video. Now, hover your cursor to another sofa and drag it to the center. Now you can see the center of these sofas and just click it to draw your table. What if I want to draw a sideboard over here and I want it at the same axis with the table? So, in this case, we can use this extension Osnap to draw it. Activate the Osnap and rectangle command, then put the cursor to the table and don't click it. When you see the tooltip, drag it down to the wall, and now you can click your mouse to create a sideboard here. You can see I have two circles with an X over here, and this is the point or node that I created earlier. When we want to pick up a point, then we need to use this node of snap, because you can see that it won't pick up the point if we use another Osnap. Or you also can use nearest to pick up the point. This nearest Osnap will automatically snap to the nearest object that is near to your cursor. Okay, now I have a spanner model here. Let's say I want to draw a small circle inside this circle. So you can use center of snap to find the center of this circle. But you must pass your cursor over the circumference so that the two tips will show and you can pick up the center. And now how about for this hexagon? Because you can see that we cannot use center of snap to find the center of this hexagon. And in this case, we need to use this geometric center. When the objects are drawn using spline or polyline, then you must use this geometric center to find the center of object. If I want to create a cover for this center from this point to another point, so I can easily and accurately snap to the intersection point by using intersection or snap. And if you draw without a snap, you might draw out of the model like this. When you have two circles and you want to create a model like this, then you can use tangent or quadrant to draw a line to connect them. Okay, now let us draw an upper line using quadrant first. Run the Osnap again because just now I active using shift right click. If you are active Osnap through the Osnap toolbar, then you will run the Osnap all the time until you turn it off. But for others method, it will just active the Osnap for temporarily. In this case, better to use tangent or snap, because when we zoom in, you can see that the line that is drawn using quadrant, it will pass through the circle. So if you are using tangent, you will touch the curve of the circle. Let's say now you want to draw a plumb line like this, then you can use this perpendicular or snap. Run a line command and perpendicular or snap, then put the hover to the line or object that you want to perpendicular with, and then a green color tooltips will show up and just click it to finish it. And you can see the angle between these two lines is 90 degrees. Now I want to draw a parallel line to this line, and we can use the parallel snap. When you use parallel snap, Make sure you have your AutoSnap turned off. Click at a point near the reference line, then hover your cursor over the existing line till the parallel tooltip shows up. Then, move your cursor up and a tracking line will show when the line is parallel to the existing reference line. And now, just click your mouse to finish it. AutoCAD is a 3D environment, so this apparent intersection can also be used to find the intersection point in a 3D environment. We can see these two lines are not met from the side view, but when we go to the top view, these two lines are intersect. So we can use this apparent intersect to find the intersection point of these two lines. A tooltip will be shown at the intersection when you put the cursor over there. Okay, here is the tooltip for each Osnap. And a tooltip will show when the Osnap is working. In a nutshell, using Osnap can make our work easier. And remember to run a command first because Osnap will only work when a particular command is running. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.